Today we're here in the greenhouse as part of the facility here, and I know there's a lot of new programs and stuff that you're trying to get implemented. Can you explain those a little bit?
We're really excited about this. Like I said, we're going in this great direction. Sustainability is one of our really prime issues that we're looking at. And as part of that is we want the agency to become energy neutral within 10 years. And we're 2 years into that. And how we're doing that is first we're capturing the methane gas from our process because our agency treats wastewater and manages stormwater. And treating the wastewater, part of that process creates gases. Capturing the gas, converting it into energy, we use that energy and make our facility more efficient. Number two, the solids and the liquids that come to our plant, the solids are being made into fertilizer. We currently give it away as a cover for athletic fields or golf courses, but we have a never-ending supply of it, as you know. And so what we're going to do is make sure that it's in compliance with the EPA regulations and eventually be able to market that product.
We noticed we have a couple different things going on here. Is this an example of some of the stuff that's being done?
Absolutely. So the solids that I was talking about, we refer to as biosolids. And we have the greenhouse here in order to see the effects of our end product and see what we can grow, how it's growing, and the effect on the plant, and what we can do to improve that.
Okay. What are some of the other things that'll be taking place?
Well, another thing is the liquid part. We call that effluent when it comes out of our plant, and we're looking towards trying reuse of that effluent. How can different agencies or industries use our effluent? So for example, computer companies have cooling towers. And they could use our effluent for that purpose. You don't need to use potable water for that purpose. We want to conserve that for human consumption. You can use effluent for that type of thing. We're also looking at phosphorus recovery. So our process creates wastewater, and we can capture phosphorus from that and convert that into fertilizer. We're also looking at algae and how that can be used as a method of extracting phosphorus from our processes. We're really excited about that. We're looking at a lot of different ways to use our wastewater, a lot of different ways to use our biosolids, capturing our gases and using those to make our facility more efficient.
Okay, so this is quite a difference from how the city initially operated 100 years ago.
Absolutely. Our agency is steeped in history. We were created to protect the water environment, and because back in the 1880s, Chicago put its waste in the Chicago River. The Chicago River used to run east into Lake Michigan, which is the source of everyone's drinking water back then as it is today, and that caused a lot of problems, having that waste go in there. The state legislature creates our agency, and one of the first things we do is reverse the flow of the river to protect Lake Michigan. Over the 1920s and 30s, we start building our treatment plants to take that wastewater and protect the growing population in the Chicagoland area.